can tell already we're in a 1,000 horsepower Jeep, and we just did an all-wheel drive launch. I mean, this is crazy. 1,000 horsepower, upgraded supercharger, other goodies. I mean, this thing would beat a lot of stuff, honestly. About 140 on our back straight. 140 on the back straight. To put in perspective, let's see, our 1,000 horsepower Exorcist does like 150. For an SUV to do 140, that's crazy. This is an SUV, people. We're in a 4-door SUV with trunk space and a back seat, and it's all-wheel drive.